guys, today I can make a sunflower here. And this one I make and now I have new accessories how I use this pink. And this can be pink and this is all the color pink. This one. And actually has this might you can see one. It's right here. So, and this is what we can do. And after I got the crayon box, it's pink. And you just need one paper, just get the red one. What's the color of the thing? Like this makes the color. And some 20 markers peanut butter. It goes right here. Right. But it's going everything. Everywhere. Look at this. It's great. And after this thing, it comes a lot of things like yellow, like eraser. I forgot to put in this. I forgot to put in this one right here. It's like the same as not why he has the other one. Now I can throw away. We can have more space on my table. And I basically come with 8 pinks, and this is how we can do. And first of all, I just make it like this, like a sample one. It's hard to do. I just make a normal pencil. It's more hard than one. And first, I can make it like this. It's hard. Well, I already make one. Now we can like, after around this hard way, you need to make the shape of it, but the other one I didn't make it. Now I'm making a sample. This is even great. It's straight line. I assume this one, and the other one was shape of it. I'm making it now. Oh, I forgot. This one. Oh, we forgot this one. We didn't see it. Oh, that just passed my. We just got it. You just make a straight line and you go like that. This. Ah, we just got it. Like here. Wait. Seriously? Let's make the wrong thing. It's going to be like this. No, what's the thing? Something to lose after we. Wait. Seriously? What to be here? And the last one in here. Done. And now we can like, I think we can color it like with the pink. And you can see when it goes.
Okay.
Now we can also do black white. Here's this one, don't get the spirit, and I continue this one is faster. Now today I just make it the green one. The solid. It's not today. It's green, and after I can make it like this color, the teal. This one is teal. Now let's do a smile. Let's do a kid's face. Here's a kid's face. Okay. here and here. Now just make a happy face. It's like look ready to serve. Now let's make some teeth. Wait, we forgot the tongue too. This guy's from Ireland. Here it is. Actually, let's make a slip pump. It's great. I never saw it. Now, wait. I got the leaves. I can make like this and just the leaves and here other way here. Okay. Now we can like close it and wait this done. Now I think now with the muffin I can color it green to this why I asked me. Now this one now. Oh, I forgot the light green. This is more green ones. Like this one is for the blue. Now let's go with this green. Now we're almost done. This one to go right. Oh, we forgot to go with this one. Here's the cereal this time here. Now I think. Wait, we forgot to put the pencil. This French keys. Now, which one do you think we can make the heads? I think I need to go with the teal. It's my favorite color. It's actually blue. I need this teal. Make it more bigger. Done. And this one. How about we make two colors together? This one's the one. This one is the blue one. Red, that's good. It's almost making purple one. Actually, blue and red makes purple. This one is pink. This is the two purples I just saw. Now, I think I need to go with this one. This is the one. It works a little. It looks a yellow color. It looks a strawberry color. It looks nice, this color. I love it. It looks pretty much, I love it. It looks a strawberry color, and I really like the color of the strawberry now. Oh, we forgot to go with this one. And done. Now, I think I color this whole like this color again. This time I think I can color it white. It looks really amazing with this color. I love it. Wait, I can't listen. Now, I think Let's look inside. Oh, here's the ring. Now I think we need to go with this bright orange. It's going orange. It's going rainbow, this one. This one is rainbow, this one's speed light. Now here and done. Now I think we can continue. Wait, we did the express! It looks good, this blue. My smartphone now is gold. Just to know it's the color, why it looks a gold lid. So it looks so nice and gold. It was supposed to be gold, but for me it looks gold for me, and I think the other ones other colors. And after the two colors, my favorite is out there, I think. Now we can oh, we forgot the lip balm. I think I just pick color, this color, the blue color, and the mouth. Done. Now, this one is the other color halfway. This is pink and this is rainbow. We're asking rainbow, then, oh, we forgot the scissors. We may make this one this one is the better one. And after I have those scissors, the one that's more faster, this one is more slower. Now, oh, we need the slower way. Now, wait. Oh, did I try it? Now, here. And here. Don't let the paper just flow away. Okay. Now here and here and here. Ah! Wait, it's just. And now it's done. Now we have the ones more the ones. It looks like wait, don't have the little things on it. We forgot to cut it. Wait, I think this one has the things. Then I like more this one with rainbow, and I forget what. And the scissors almost matches this one. With rainbow and this one is pink and don't have the scissors. You saw the rings and the other ones. This one is the color white. You saw this one is a teal. Color is from this one. So it was here. This one, the green is here. It's not like green with all the colors is like here, and the black is here, and what? I think this is okay. Now it goes just measuring. The more dollar is, I think we need to go with this one. It's the dollar. Actually, this one is the dollar. Wait, we didn't put a name. I don't think we need to put. Oh, we forgot it. See, we forgot. We don't remember. But I think I put my name N-A-S-U-E-L-L. And the last one, A. Like I put it in the other one. It was all pink. Now we're done. This is my name. It spells like Manuel. It's here. It has on the two sides like So for diagonal mode, like, let's see. This is could be straight. Yeah, straight. Simple straight, so. And this one is the more like straight, and I think this one is the dollar one. Like after it has the sleeves and the body. I think we need to cut just the leaves. We just have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves filler. Oh, and 5. Oh, we forgot 6. So we have 7 leaves on this one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has the same one. It's not the one. This is the leaf. Then I think after this one is the dollar. Let's just move it. Then this is right. This one needs to go more dollar. What happens to the? Yeah, it gets extra use. Goodbye, guys. Drop down your home and learn it. Goodbye. See you in my next video. Goodbye.